going to show you a tutorial on how to make just a basic crochet chain. This is one of the most basic ways to start a pattern. And so I'm going to set that to the side. The way you're going to start it is you want to make a slip knot. So the way I do my slip knots is I place 2 fingers within a loop that I've created, turn my fingers so that there's a little X, and then I either grab the tail or I grab the working yarn. The tail is the end piece here. Most of the time the working end is going to be what you want to pull through, but there are some projects that you want to be able to pull the tail down nice and tight to make it really firm there. So that is really how you're going to determine that. But generally speaking, you're going to grab the working yarn. And then the way you do a chain is you want to take your crochet hook, put it through that slip knot, yarn over, grab your yarn. I kind of twist my hook as I go so that it grabs it and pulls it through that teardrop shape just right. And that's one chain. So we're going to do it again. Yarn over, twist, pull through. Yarn over, twist, pull through, yarn over, twist, pull through, yarn over, twist, and pull it through. And you'll see that that creates these nice little V's on the one side and little almost like Q's on the back side. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do 5 more of those, and I'll just kind of do them slowly so you can do them with me for practice. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, so that is your basic chain. Now, if I was going to do a series of single crochet or any other ones on top, then I would want to go ahead and add additional stitches. For a single crochet, I would add 1 chain, and that would be my turning chain, and then I'd have my 10 base. So if you have any questions, go ahead and leave a message below, and thanks for watching.